Yo, what's up, hunters? Steel Vico here, and welcome back to another video. This video is a surprise video I was talking about several videos ago. It came a lot sooner. It came on the 26th, even though it was supposed to be on the 27th. Due to a deal we got online, somehow it came a little quicker than expected, which is awesome and nice because I get to do the surprise for you guys now. So yeah, you'll see that this is Teal Pumpkin. Has been blown up. I blew him up today, so I might be a little bit lightheaded. My phone was almost dead when I first decided to start recording this because this arrived today, and I realized that my phone wasn't going to be able to record because it was dying. So the surprise for you guys, I mean, it's kind of for me because, you know, I own it, but this is kind of a treat because it's one last product review before the season is over, guys. So it's an unboxing. I will do a review on a later date, but the treat is an unboxing, and it's going to be a surprise unboxing, as in I'm not going to tell you what it is until I open it up. So let's open it up. And also, just so you know, if you guys might be curious, yes, this was last year's mask. My mask that I'm using as my costume this year, it's cool. I can kind of see out of it, but it's hard to see the details when I check the camera to make sure there aren't any errors and stuff like that. So I'm wearing this one. But anyway, guys, let's open up the box. Inside the box is another box. Dun dun dun. So I'm not going to show you. It tells you exactly what it is on this part right here. I'm not going to tell you guys right now, and I'll tell you guys the information all about it once it is open. So let's. Uh-oh, guys. Plot twist. Dun dun dun. It's yet another box. What is going on, guys? I'm gonna tell you right now is the product that this product right here that I ordered, there was a single review that said this thing arrived broken. So I wonder if these extra boxes is the reason for that, or if, you know, it was just a weird fluke. And this is actually the actual product box right here. There is detailing on this side and detailing on this side, and it's completely white on the rest. So, you know, like Spirit Halloween has their own box, that kind of thing. I'm going to press the demo button, and if it does something right now, I will show you guys the front. Alright guys, she did something. So I'll show you the back first. I ordered Jumping Jenny, made by Seasonal Visions for Party City, new this year. And I got her for $50. She was around $70 originally and is now $60. I used a 20% off coupon, so I paid around $50.39, not including tax. So yeah, I got her for a decent price. She looked awesome, and I figured I'd get her. I will show you the front of the box, because my Party City didn't have Jumping Jenny. You get the box, and here we go.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Too late now, that monkey is dead."
Pretty creepy, right, guys? Alright, let's open her up and see what we got assembly-wise. Should be cool. Already had to open, like, this is a total of 3 boxes. I need to cut this, apparently. Alright guys, so what we have in here is our assembly guide. We have this piece of cardboard. I'm gonna just show you guys this and then I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna put it back on the stand. Close my knife, because that's dangerous. Take her out of the box carefully. Cool. So, I think I figured it out, guys. Since you guys know that it's Jumping Jenny now, if you were to go to a store, and if you were to go to a store to purchase Jumping Jenny, and you were to test her out at the store by pressing your Try Me button, her rope will not move at all. And I figured out that the reason for that is because if her rope moved, if you bought it online, and you press the Try Me button, it'd be moving around in the box and could potentially get stuck on something and break. So that's the reason why she doesn't move. So you need to get her off Try Me mode if you want her to actually work. So I'm just going to real quick, for ease of access, disconnect Try Me button by, that's an intricate one. You have to press down on this thing and then it releases it. So included is a lot of cardboard pieces, the instruction manual, the body with hands and the motor, which is also attached by wire to the head, which is in a bag, her base, jump rope, leg pulls, I believe these are stakes which go in the ground for stability if you were to put her outside, even though I'm pretty sure it recommends you put her out, inside. Probably for stability, so you stick it in the ground and she stays. And her legs, which are actually made of a pretty decent durable plastic. It's solid. It only bends a little bit right here, and even then it's not really gonna break. It looks like porcelain. It's really, or kind of like a, like a stone doll kind of a thing. It looks really creepy. I like the detailing on that. So yeah. So she seems a lot more stable than some of the other props, and also special thanks to Pumpkin Market, because if he hadn't uploaded a video of him buying this prop, I would not have learned about her and I would not have ordered her. So special thanks to Pumpkin Market. Alright guys, so you can see her instructions. I'm not gonna show the tiny words, all of it, but I'm just gonna give you guys a brief look at what it looks like. The back side. Alright guys, hope that works. But yeah guys, I guess when it comes to, if you like to collect props, it kind of does help to buy online. Especially when it comes to stores that aren't like Spirit Halloween, because you might not get the box if you buy it at a store. But if you, buy it online, you're probably going to get the box in its entirety. You might actually, come to think of it, you probably will get the box, at a store. But you're not going to get a store model for sure, but if you were to buy it online. So, it shows all the parts, which have A, B, C, D. Basically just it's a common, way of doing it because it works. It comes right off, no cutting necessary. Just a word of warning. There is a zip tie on this neck bracket thing. I recommend you do not remove that, because I don't know what it does, you probably don't know what it does. Chances are it holds something in, so don't cut that zip tie. It's not like it's in the way of anything. I recommend you leave it, just in case. Better safe than sorry. This is her head. Looks pretty creepy. My hand is kind of bigger, but then again, she is a little girl, so it's, where she's got a motion sensor, on her chest. That scared me. The paint kind of does come off around her feet a little bit. Alright, so step one, you take the base, B and B, and you slide it in until it locks in place. You may have to spin it around, like twist it around. Alright. So if this is facing me, then you slide the feet over. I just want to make sure I get the right legs on, guys. I apologize. Is it supposed to lock anywhere? Guess not. Alright. So I guess I can face this one forward now. Okay, so then you just slide it over top. There's a hole in the leg, and then the way that it shows the instructions, it shows it as if she didn't have the as if the shirt wasn't already on. All right, those popped in. Then you just attach the head, which is G, on the thing, to F, which is this thing right here. Right. So what actually I just did was I just disconnected it, slid it back through, and I'm reconnecting. Her hair kind of gets caught in the Velcro a little bit. We'll see what happens. So in order to get the jump rope in, slide them in, I believe. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run her. I'm going to actually tuck this up real quick. So now, let's see what happens. Hopefully nothing bad.
Mother, you are sick. That's what you get.
Something's not right. Something went wrong. Alright guys, I got her working. So all I had to do was lower the clothes a little bit, and then I ran it and it worked, and then I put it back on and then it worked. And then the only other thing I did off camera was I removed the stickers, like the lettering stickers, off of her because they were visible, and I didn't want them to be visible. The cool thing with the stickers and the material that they're on, the stickers come off so easily, and like I only had one time where it left residue, and then I easily scratched it off. So the stickers come off really easily off of this type of plastic. It's weird, but I mean that's cool. But yeah, so she has two phrases. She's pretty short, but as you guys can see from your camera angle, she takes up the whole camera. I think she's like 3 feet tall, which is still kind of creepy because she's like a creepy little girl. Obviously, she doesn't bring it all the way down to the ground, but that makes sense because it'd be kind of tough to do that. And if they did that, you know, there could be several things that could happen, like the jump rope could fall off, stuff like that. I like the detailing. I like how they, you know, all the detail they added to her with her hair, her ribbons, her clothes, you know, her feet and legs. Just in general, I mean, look at the detail on her face. It's like a cracked porcelain doll. She's got 2 sayings, which is more than some of the props I have, so it's good. Plus, her sayings are kind of longer than the other ones, and it's creepy. The creepy sayings. I'll show you guys her constant on mode first. It goes.
Mother, you are sick. That's what you get for spoiling my trick. Send for the doctor, click, click, click. He will find a lunatic. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, too late now, that monkey is dead. Mother, you are
So
sick.
she repeats those 2
That's
same
what you
sayings
get for
over and
spoiling
over.
my trick.
You can hear her motor running, which is okay because in my opinion, and by my opinion, I mean I'm pretty sure on this, her audio is louder than the motor sounds, so it kind of plays over it. So I'd say that I canceled that out.